So I did a video on how to get ChatGPT Plus for PC users, but I received a comment from one of my subscribers asking me to do a tutorial on how to use it for free on Android devices. So I have come up with the best free alternatives to use GPT-4 for free without any extensions or browsers or any external tool. You are going to be using the ChatGPT-4 app. So stick around to the end of this video because I'll be sharing some hack prompts to increase your productivity and efficiency on GPT-4. So let's get started. First things first, let's see the difference between ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT 3 to generate an image of a boy. Does not have direct access to generate an image for us. Meanwhile, it's giving us instructions on how to create this image. As you can see, ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus has generated 4 images for our prompt of a boy on the moon. So by the end of this video, you too are also going to be able to access free ChatGPT 4 like this. So to unlock GPT 4, head over to the link below this video. Now once you have selected the app link, you'll be taken to this dashboard. Now this is the app that's going to give us free access to ChatGPT 4. There are also different apps out there, but this is the one I have tested and tried for this tutorial. So I highly recommend this for you viewers to avoid getting virus on your Android devices. Once you have selected the link, you'll be taken to this dashboard that I said earlier on. Download the app. After successfully downloading the app, install it. Once you have installed it, open the installed app. You'll be taken to this interface. Now let's explore the new AI features available on GPT Plus. To make the most out of GPT-4, try using specific prompts or commands for better and accurate results. For instance, starting with help me with my math homework. This helps to give you tailored prompts to increase your GPT-4 results. Also, let's see how we can use GPT-4 to generate a new image. So go to AI Art, select the type of image you want to create, then give it a simple prompt. And there you have it. Accessing and using GPT-4 on your mobile devices is simpler than you thought. Give it a try and unlock a world of AI-powered convenience right from your smartphone. Also, I'll make a tutorial on how to use this Android app on PCs using BlueStack emulator. So subscribe to my channel to see that video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, bye.